The red blinking light on your Schlage Keypad lock is a universal error signal. It indicates a problem that needs your attention. There are four main reasons for this: low battery with a slow blink, incorrect code entry or lockout with a rapid blink, programming errors shown by steady light or blinking during setup, or a hardware fault with persistent blinking. Understanding which type of blink you're seeing is the first step in diagnosing the issue. Knowing this can help you resolve the problem quickly. The most common cause of a red blinking light is low batteries. Before attempting other fixes, replace the batteries with fresh ones. Schlage recommends using CR123A or AA alkaline batteries, depending on your model. Ensure the batteries are installed correctly, matching the polarity plus my markings. After replacing the batteries, test the lock to see if the red light disappears. This simple solution resolves the issue for many users. If the red light is blinking rapidly, it means the lock has entered lockout mode due to too many incorrect code attempts. The lockout duration is typically 1 to 3 minutes. During this time, you won't be able to enter any codes. Wait for the lockout period to expire, then try entering your code again carefully. To avoid future lockouts, double-check the code before entering it and ensure you're pressing the keys firmly. A steady red light or blinking during setup indicates a programming error. This could be due to entering an invalid code or a firmware glitch. Try resetting the lock to its factory settings. This process usually involves pressing the Schlage button multiple times or using the Schlage app, as described in your user manual. After the reset, reprogram your user codes following the instructions carefully. The process of reprogramming may differ depending on the age of the lock. If the red light persists even after trying the above solutions, it might indicate a hardware fault, such as a faulty solenoid or wiring issue. Check the Schlage app for diagnostics or error codes. If you're comfortable, you can try visually inspecting the lock's internal components, but avoid any DIY repairs that could void your warranty. Contact Schlage support or a qualified locksmith for professional assistance. Ensure your Schlage lock is connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. The app provides diagnostics and error codes to help identify issues. Use remote reset options in the app to clear lockouts. Update lock firmware through the app to resolve software glitches that cause red blinking. Regularly check for app updates to ensure optimal performance and access to latest troubleshooting features. If none of the previous fixes resolve the red blinking light issue, it's time to seek professional help. You have two main options: contact Schlage's customer support for warranty and replacement help, or hire a certified locksmith for diagnosis and repair of complex hardware problems. When contacting professionals, provide details about your specific lock model, the type of blinking light you're seeing, and the steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. Seeking professional help ensures your Schlage lock is safely and effectively repaired or replaced. To keep your Schlage lock running smoothly and avoid red blinking issues, practice these preventative measures. First, replace the batteries every 6 to 12 months, even before the lock shows low battery warnings. This proactive approach prevents unexpected failures. Second, keep the keypad clean and dry. Dust, moisture, or debris can cause the lock to malfunction. Regularly wipe the keypad with a soft cloth and ensure it's protected from weather. Third, periodically check for firmware updates in the Schlage app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can prevent red blinking errors. Keep your app and lock connected for automatic notifications. By following these simple maintenance steps, you'll extend your Schlage lock's lifespan and significantly reduce the chances of encountering the red blinking light. Regular care keeps your lock secure and reliable.